So yeah, there's a lot of what we build that we can't talk about.
Right.
But general industries that we support are defense, aerospace, medical device, general commercial, and then prototyping and quick turns. And I think prototyping and quick turns is something that's really, really fun, because although you may not know what that device is going to be, the challenge of getting that customer 10 pieces in 2 days is just really great, you know, and all the stars have to align to make it happen. And most of the time they don't. So you've got to figure it out, right? You've got to figure out how to make it happen. And you know, a jig or a tool or some sort of creative resolution to figuring out how to get the customer what they need. You know, problem solving and creativity, I think, are two skills that are really underrated in manufacturing. And I think for me, that's part of the fun of it. You know, it is nice to be able to get out to customers sometimes too, when they allow you to come out and see a finished product. One of the customers that we have makes really high-end espresso machines. So at one point I got to go out and see, you know, we build these, it's one of our repeat customers, and we build several part numbers for them on a regular basis. But to be able to go out and see, you know, the circuit board that we build is this big, but it's going into an espresso machine this big, right? So just all of these different sub-assemblies going in there and working together, that can be really fun.